Introducing U.S. Pool Supplies Swimming Pool Leaf Rake. Our heavy-duty pool rake makes cleanup fast, easy, and efficient. Rake easily attaches to standard size 1.25-inch diameter swimming pool poles. Our rake scoop design and 14-inch mesh bag allows it to collect a large amount of debris. The net's fine mesh netting allows it to collect fine debris and effectively holds the leads within the net while skimming. Safe for use in pools, spas, hot tubs, and won't mar pool liners. Make a splash today with U.S. Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.